If you want to chat with someone on Instagram in private, then you came to the right place. I'm going to show you how you can activate a mode where your messages and conversations are not saved, and you can chat completely privately. But before we start with this video, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more similar tutorials like this one. So let's now open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device. It doesn't matter because the steps are absolutely the same. From here, you'll want to open a conversation with a person with whom you want a private chat. Once you're inside the chat, all you need to do is swipe up from the bottom to the top of the screen. This will activate disappearing messages for this conversation. Now let me explain what this feature actually does and why it's so useful. When you turn on disappearing messages, any new messages that you send will automatically disappear 24 hours after everyone in the chat has seen them. So your messages are not going to be saved permanently in your chat history. They'll just vanish after 24 hours once the other person has viewed them. This is extremely helpful if you're sharing something sensitive, discussing private information, or if you simply don't want a permanent record of certain conversations. Maybe you're planning a surprise, sharing personal details, or just want more privacy in your chats. Instagram will show you a notification explaining how this works. Both you and the other person will be notified that this mode is active, which means nobody can secretly turn on disappearing messages without the other person knowing about it. From this point forward, everything you send will disappear. You can send text messages, photos, videos, voice messages, emojis, literally anything, and it will all disappear automatically after 24 hours once it's been seen. You just chat normally, and Instagram takes care of the rest. Now here's something important to understand. The messages will only disappear after everyone in the chat has seen them and after 24 hours have passed. So if the other person hasn't opened your message yet, it's going to stay there until they view it. Once they view it, the 24-hour countdown starts. If you want to turn this feature off and go back to regular messaging, just swipe up from the bottom to the top again, and disappearing messages will be disabled immediately. One more thing, even though messages disappear, the other person can still take a screenshot of your conversation. So just keep that in mind and always be careful about what you share. So that's everything you need to know about chatting privately on Instagram using disappearing messages. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure you hit that like button down below. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe because I post tutorials like this all the time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.